Welcome back to See My Review, your go-to channel for the hottest sneaker unboxings and the best online deals. Today, I've got something legendary. Right here in this box is the Jordan 5 Retro Fire Red Black Tongue 2025. I've been waiting to get my hands on this pair, and trust me, if you're a true Jordan lover, you already know how iconic this release is. So let's not waste any time. Let's crack this box open and take a closer look. Wow, just look at that clean premium white leather upper. The fire red accents on the midsole and inner lining are absolutely popping. But the real hero of this sneaker, the bold black tongue. Unlike the reflective versions we've seen before, this black tongue gives the shoe a raw, retro attitude that instantly stands out. It's aggressive, stylish, and pure hoops energy. What I love about the sneaker is that it perfectly blends history with modern quality. You've got that classic embroidered 23 on the lateral heel, the Nike Air cushioning visible on the side, and the translucent outsole with the Jumpman logo, all straight out of the 1990 OG playbook. Whether you're rocking these on the court or keeping them DS in your collection, these are guaranteed head-turners. And let's talk comfort, because Jordan 5s are built to perform. The cushioning setup gives you that soft bounce with every step, while the padding around the ankle keeps you locked in without feeling stiff. It's one of those sneakers you can wear all day without wanting to take off. You can rock these with jeans, joggers, shorts, black, gray, or even red fits. They're one of those pairs that upgrade any outfit instantly. Even a simple white tee with black cargo pants becomes a full-on statement when you've got these on your feet. If you're looking for the perfect spot to grab the latest sneakers and fashion essentials, oursnowshoes.com is a destination you definitely need to check out. This site has built a reputation for offering a wide range of high-quality sneakers, from classic retros and limited edition Jordans to trendy lifestyle kicks and stylish streetwear pieces. One of the biggest reasons sneakerheads and fashion lovers trust oursnowshoes.com is because of its guaranteed authenticity. You know, every pair you buy is 100% real. No fakes, no doubts. On top of that, their prices are refreshingly affordable compared to a lot of resale sites, making it easier for people to actually rock the sneakers they love without breaking the bank. Shopping is